Stop hurting me. You hurt my knee. Is that you?
Okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Why?
Never mind.
What happened?
You just fell.
You fell down?
No, you did.
You okay? Do you need me to get you some help? Okay. Just be careful. These floors are like icicles. These things don't work. What should I say?
Huh?
What should I say?
What do you mean?
I farted? Did I fart or was that you?
I don't know.
Okay, I didn't know if I should say something.
He was fake. I'm about to report his ass.